Load your family into the 2020 Volvo XC90. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes leather upholstery, heated seats, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and a split-folding rear seat. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.